Hazrat Shaddad bin Aus radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best supplication for seeking pardon is that you say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you are my Lord. There is no worthy of worship save you. You created me, and I am your bondsman, and I am steadfast in covenant and promise. I made with you as much as I can. I seek refuge with you against the evil of my doings. I acknowledge the favors you bestowed on me as well as I confess my sins. So pardon me, for none but you pardon the sins. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, whosoever pronounces it during the day, having a staunch belief in it, and then dies on that very day before evening, is one of the inmates of paradise. Whosoever says these words during the night with firm belief in it, and then dies before morning, is one of the inmates of paradise. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6306.